What's up, guys? Welcome back to another reaction video. So KC, and as you can see, we have a guest in the building.
Yeah, Pteyn.
Pteyn in the building.
Pteyn in the building.
Okay, data putaraka kutia. Inawai. After
Pteyn.
Oh, oh, like yeah.
Pteyn.
Okay. That one is yeah. So as you can see, Tamburo Wachi, wash out.
Yeah. Wash out.
Tamburo wash out. Please go and check it out. Wash out. This is Tamburo Wachi Usanyeperwe. Where is it? Yeah. So before we get straight into the song, what is it about Usanyeperwe?
Usanyeperwe, like okay. The song is about a girl and her best friend, a male best friend.
Okay.
So when you are my best thing, yeah.
Alright.
Then you need to tell me and then scan out Boston goes on first. Like it happens a lot.
Okay.
But I was on first. Then the best to black. Usanyeperwe, so look at Janda is the best friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aba manje unongwa tukanda show kweli.
Ni wakutukanda ipapo.
Da, but the bestie. My bestie.
Yeah.
My bestie. Anyways. But also unovonga umudza favorite.
Umudza kuti wewe. There's a party andikatozoti zvandakuudza wave wangu zveginde. Gonna mind the
Teta zeginde.
Yeah. Ndakakuudza wave wangu zveginde.
Hey.
Kurisha mwari yangu.
Kuzodaka effort ke.
Yeah, right.
Ore saka besi vanozobvume.
Yeah, I think let's see.
Let's see how it goes in
Yeah,
the
how it
video.
goes. Yeah.
Okay.
It's an interesting part at the end of the video.
Oh, okay. You can't wait. Please go and check it out. This track. So we have anima best there. Varikungwarira mukati.
Yeah.
Song yenye magadzirirwe.
It's your time to shoot.
It's the time to shoot a short, isn't it? Wakati tuchitomboona song nekutoinzwa nekutona the video. Just say wakatonoti best inzweka munhu. Pepe ndotokudza totodakira dei. Barombotanga chikakama.
Tange kutoita majokes waiza.
Best kansa. You serious. So yeah. Papekutanga obvious best anombotanga chiramba but ozongofuma munhu. But you need to make sure that you also move at the best here. But anyways, that's love, mate.
It's love, yeah.
This is another song for love.
Usanyeperwe.
Wow, nice. So please go and check it out, guys. Like, share, subscribe to his channel.
Classic
Pteyn, Instagram, Twitter. So the links is in the description in the video song. So let's get straight into it. Notification. Yeah, that was zero. Notification.
Like, listen to what the girl will say after seeing the notification.
Okay.
Yeah.
Best, you put this guy in the song.
Huh? What are you trying to say?
This guy didn't say about this guy in the song. I still say
Hi, GP. Anyways, guys. Okay, it's okay.
Best, you put this guy in the song. Put this guy.
There was no Zimbabwe.
Yeah?
Huh? Kutonge bamwe atarongezwa zvangobhamba mudziyo
Huh?
Pull a foot, but cheers.
Yeah,
but how do you feel? But anyways, okay, let's go. Mira Tony. To know Zofila say.
Spend it all. Can I see?
Kure pafamba munhu atozongofamba
patorowo makezi kilometers mufambira nyatsomurwa face like eye contact and tell you kuti you will not chiko.
Listen, I don't wanna lose you for the time that I spent with you as a bestie. All my life I've been counting on you. Girl, you do the most sometimes, but I hate it when you make me lie. Right now, you got.
You make me like right.
As a girl, you do the most sometimes, but I hate it when you make me lie.
Okay.
Kuti ndakutozongonyebedzera nge
ndiribona so but manje masezi zvokwara mukati zvorwadza manje kozane yako kanikuti saka kuti heartbeat baba kuti amanaka inangu kwara mukati unongochikakama manje wata stuff but
I hate it when you make me lie.
Unozomborwa confidence kuti amanaka ndingukande shuta mimi nokwazi nozoperera
Shit revive.
waize so mira tinzo ngomana anosplita mabhaza ize akutongotara sokuti adotokainda shit through baba through okay.
Tell me why we're lying on our feelings. Usanyeperwe wawona ani hakuna
moments moments
tomuudza ngo matanga tozogaya moments right.
Yeah man.
Tongori round mstongoite
tamba tennis
komune muri comfortable.
inonzi 3-2 jet yeah apana kana ichi 3-2
to enjoyable just a boo but
shamari apa manje zvinozobwera obvious mabhesi obvious unenge kamukaya kufungoti apa muchi yorutodiwawo futi
exactly
zvinobva kuti izvo mamoments achingobvura kuzovesa kati handi out base iye anongoteka kuti handi base but iyo rutonomuta sei otonongomuratidza kuti aiwa ndotokudai base but anenge asatazvona anozongozvona mbonomudzi usanyepera saka panzi usanyeperwe nani
ndindairi usanyeperwe waona ani hakuna mumwe anokuda so ndianowaona ritokunyepera kana wanza munhu anoti ari kukuda kukundazva chikuite izvezvi aritokunyepera arikubvaiza
hey
hakuna zvinokunda zventotokofa nyenge
aba inobva tovhuma
ndechitokuudza shoti
atovhuma
you understand you are my friend papacho
because obviously as a friend you tell each other everything mazindichi saka amahwani vane mabest ayaya shoot a shot now best
right now today
not tomorrow but today
yeah
the earlier no the earlier the better
yeah man simbinoro ichapisa
okay abo
mumwe anokuda so usanyeperwe wawona ani hakuna mumwe anokuda so
maita kukana mabhazi kuti mwana anga aingosmaila anosvika pakurwadzwa kuradziwa neumu achingosmaila so when my best bhesi aritobatana ro even zasocial isingade vanhu vanenge nemabhest yeah like I know but anyways nyaya itogara tiitaura ngatimbomire
it's a very big topic
mabhest alright ngatimbone best
all along it's been me and you pasina mumwezve and I used to think chingapindire hakuna chimwezve cause all this time
best best Namastora best alright My best.
Having a nice time.
Ayo,
Wakanaka ka best.
yeah, I see.
I gotta look at
Now don't see Saguti, why I wear that best? Why is it? Why I wear that best? That was there, listen. Okay, bestie.
Ndaishka kukudza ndichingoti stay. I pray to God for you to stay. Girosi yangu zvandakuudza wave wangu zvegine. Shamwari yangu zvandakuudza wave wangu zvegine. Usanyeperwe waona ani, hakuna mumwe anokuda so.
Festival guitar. Twaziya musicians. Because mine mabhazi kudhara nemchikonyora masongs. So it's easy to split the bars mwana wese.
Ndotomboona kuwagonje kudzisa uri guitar.
Babe, it's a guitar. Tinoridza so.
Usanyeperwe waona ani, hakuna mumwe anokuda so.
Achinyaririra mwana zvake.
Man.
Aina peace.
Chill. I'm not too comfortable. I'm just too mystery. Nice time.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, oh my God.
Usanyeperwe waona ani.
Takusika chaiko.
Sika the last part.
Anima. Papa padati we can't wait at the beginning guys. Pakusika. Mira tune mkomana akazoitwa sei chichakasiitika amazing.
Hakuna mumwe anokuda so. Usanyeperwe waona ani, hakuna mumwe anokuda so.
Gentlemen. Anyway, sina ndingakwasophula iza kozi. Hey, zaitika paka.
Yeah.
Asunguna mnangototswa izi. Unzo. Chingoye kunoku. Zvavarana ka. Ineza atizozivi chichakazoitika after. Yeah, you never know. This. Wow. You got me thinking. Let me think about it. And the cool. No, I'm taking.
I'm first young guy in the best part of this guy.
The guy man jump to I'm waiting. Yeah, wants come on baby.
No.
Pamanje mwana bata kusiya riri muchurch make kuti papa chikanda ili kuti blue tick. It's okay.
That's a wish my best akawana kakusongoenda nechimuti then.
Hasa my best and I feel like alright. Tambostora nyama best palatu. Where are my best please? Go and listen to this track and check your best. Because those also the una munazo best wakazorova manje.
You won't be able to spend those moments at
Exactly. So make sure. And you mungu kana mabas my best. Bestie, this and that. Why is it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. And thank you for coming, guys.
Yeah, man.
In the beauty, please go and listen.
Pteyn.
Yeah, man. So make sure you follow him to all his digital platforms. My links is in the description, so just go and click it out and kick out the tracks that I foot in the videos. And like, share, and subscribe. Your boy Casey and Pteyn in the